everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to Ben Travels TV. And coming up next, we continue our journey through Lecce's Historic Center as we check out some more historical landmarks and learn about the culture and history of Lecce. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified every time we drop a new video. We are back in Lecce, this time during the night when everybody is done with siesta. The restaurants are open and it's more vibrant. We are headed to Palazzo del Seggio and we're going to check out the Roman amphitheater, and we're going to learn more about Lecce's culture and history as we head to the city square and the main meeting place. Enjoy. Julia, over here, baby.
See, they put up the saint. That's what they were doing earlier.
Oh, wow.
That's why they had the band. This piazza is named after them.
There used to be a saint up there.
Oh, wow.
It's called, that's why this plaza is called Piazza San Toronzo.
Oh,
Because there is a saint.
Oh, okay.
It
used to be up
the
there?
one that they protect the city kind of thing.
Oh, okay.
It's called San Toronzo.
San Toronzo.
Used to be there, but now it's not because they are renovating it.
Oh, okay.
What's up? That one, no.
No.
Oh yeah, it's in.
Oh, okay.
Oh, they just put it there.
Yeah, today they had like a marching band. That's why when we didn't come through here on the side.
Oh yeah, it's in.
Oh, okay. Let me go over there really quick. I will come back. I want to see real fast just to get it.
Because it's been like almost a decade
Yeah.
that
It's been gone?
Yeah.
Wow.
On Saturday and at 12 a.m. they're gonna put it up there.
Up there. Oh, wow.
It's gonna be like a real event.
Oh.
So it's I think it's nice to see it.
Wow. It's beautiful. Yeah.
It is beautiful.
Right? I mean, now it's dark, but with the light.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I see they're putting the light up more and up. Wow. Wow.
We should see it.
Yeah.
You know?
Saturday. You said this Saturday.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
I think it's gonna be packed.
Packed,
100%.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, wow.
Wow. Wow. Colosseo.
Vedi che questo sabato alle 12.
So the other half is under the city, guys. We're on top of the other half.
On the other half, they built on top of it, huh?
But they're going to get ready to open it for you to walk around. But this is a Roman Colosseum.
Beautiful.
And then there's an amphitheater we're going to walk by that you'll see too.
This below-ground Roman amphitheater was built during Hadrian's reign as Roman emperor during the 2nd century after the death of Christ, at which time Lecce was just a small village that could be used as a resort or trading port along the Mediterranean. The theater is still particularly buried, but you can easily make out the horseshoe-shaped arena, which in its time could hold at least 15,000 spectators. Ancient images on the walls depict the types of shows they would have seen, such as gladiators fighting with bulls, lions, bears, or other humans. Absolutely spectacular.
Ben, you wanna see the church?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Look at that piece.
All right, we are now entering Cesia Santa Maria della Grazia, which is the St. Mary of Grace's church, dated back to the Baroque era in the 14th century.
Oh, right.
All right, and when it's lit up, the Lecce city center, the piazza, the square, it's beautiful, just as it is during the day. But what I love, and I mentioned in a few other videos in the past, is that it's not touristy. You can tell we are the only tourists here, and we absolutely love it.
Man, you need to get the show. All right. Get the show. How's it going?
Is the church is behind us.
Oh, okay.
It's
It's nice.
like in the weekend it's packed.
Yeah. And they usually put this up here and the chairs and stuff like that. Yeah.
All right, so we are just strolling along through the night in this beautiful city center here in Lecce, and this is our introduction. All right, so we have my sister, I have my brother-in-law who is from here, born and raised. They're our own personal tour guides, which is awesome. As we go around, they're telling us different unique facts in the history and the culture here about the history and the culture here in Lecce. My brother-in-law, born and raised here, he speaks fluent, of course, Italian, and also he speaks English as well, and he's very fluent. My sister has been living here since 2021, so she knows a little bit about the history and the culture as well, and she also speaks a little bit of Italian, and she understands the language as well because she went to school here as well. Now we're just going to keep strolling along, and we will actually be back here in future episodes to eat and check out more of the city and have drinks and do some more exploring on our own.
And where the next to the
I was waiting for him.
the corner right here, those two lights. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Used to be his bakery. What was the name of the bakery?
Was Forno.
No, okay. And that's where you met her?
Yeah.
That's where you guys met at the bakery.
Bakery.
Wow. That's amazing.
They kept it kind of similar on the inside, you can see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's on the same, but
Yeah.
just change the name.
They put some seating there.
Right there. Oh, okay.
But in front of those doors, I was waiting for him. He changed my perspective that day. Yeah. I was so impressed. Okay, waiting for me.
All right, you guys, this video is coming to a close. My dad is across the street over there getting ready to pick us up. and head back to his villa on the seaside front overlooking the Adriatic Sea. Now, you guys, we just passed the bakery where my sister and my brother-in-law met. I will go more into that in depth on a future episode. Brother-in-law is a chef and owned his own bakery there at a point. Now, keep watching the videos. I'm going to keep dropping them. This is just the introduction. We're going to venture off to the countryside, to the wineries. We're going to go to the beaches. We're going to check out all that Puglia has to offer. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.